Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we explore the idiom miss the boat. This essential expression helps you talk about opportunities in natural English. Get ready to discover its meaning, origin, and modern usage. Miss the boat means to lose an opportunity by acting too late. It describes when someone hesitates and the chance disappears. The pronunciation is miss the boat with short I in miss long O in boat and TH sound in the. In job situations, she missed the boat by not applying before the deadline. For investments, I missed the boat on early bird tickets by delaying too long. These examples show how timing creates lost opportunities in everyday life. Miss the chance means failed to take advantage of available opportunity. Drop the ball describes making a critical error by not acting in time. Both expressions convey the same idea of losing opportunities through delay. Catch the boat means seize the opportunity in perfect timing. Jump on board describes taking advantage quickly before it's gone. These opposites show successful action versus hesitation. Use miss the boat when someone loses a valuable opportunity by hesitating or acting too late. It's perfect for business, jobs, investments, and everyday decisions. Act fast or miss out. That's the core message of this powerful idiom.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.